Hey Plums, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, thank you for coming back to my video. So in this video we are going to be defining Pixie coil. This is a 16 inches Pixie coil. It's really full. It came with a 5x5 closure. So I'm going to take you guys along on how I style it to perfection. So the first thing I'll be doing is to bleach the knots on this 5x5 closure. To do that, I already have a detailed video on that, but I'm still gonna do it here still. I'm going to link it up here too, or in the description box. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to comb the hair backward. I'm going to be combing it backward. Then I'll be using this 12% 40 volume developer and this olive oil bleaching powder. What I'm going to do is just to pour the bleaching powder in my mixing bowl, then now go in with the developer, then mix together. I'm going to be applying the mixture on just the next part of this closure. So I'm going to be doing that from the top, brushing it backwards. So that's all I'm going to be doing. Then make sure like you apply the mixture like some centimeters, some inches away from the main hair, like you apply it on that empty net part. So I'm gonna run that through. You have to be quick with this part, so it's going to do it work together. Some leave from 15 minutes to 25 minutes depending on the quality of hair. So as you're applying, when you're done applying, you just try to pull out the hair, then constantly keep checking the hair to know if it has bleached, because some hair bleach faster. Some even go all the way to test the hair before applying this bleach on it. So you can do that as well, but I didn't do that. I'm just going to be checking the hair to know when it's done. This bleaching process for this particular hair took about 20 minutes. So when it was done bleaching, I just washed it off. Just mainly washed the closure parts off. Those bleached off, the residue, I washed it off with just clean water from the tap. Then went in to wash the whole hair. I washed the whole hair with water, then deep conditioner. I use Tresemme deep conditioner to wash the hair, then rinse it out after some waiting, allowing it to sit for some minutes. So that's basically what I did. So as you can see, the hair is fully saturated. I don't even need to start using the spray can and everything, but I did apply some leave-in conditioner. I used Hawaiian silk. If you guys noticed on the last video, I used an octopus brush, but this is the kind of brush I'm using for this particular hair. I feel like the octopus brush gives the Pixie coil a loose coil to get, but this one is, I love the feeling, I love the finished look of this particular one. I'll be trying out other brushes for defining coils, but I think so far this one is my favorite. So I went ahead to pat the hair. I just went ahead to pat the hair. I did side patting for this hair. Then of course when the hair dried, I now used my is it 1 inches, I can't remember, the size of the barrel I used to lay flat the closure. I didn't bother using hot comb because the hair was dry already. So that's it for this video. So when you are done, make sure you scrunch the bottom part of the coils so it will have a uniform look. Do you get? So this is the finished look of our Pixie coils. I went ahead to pin down the closure parts with elastic band, then covered the whole hair with invisible net. I actually used to because it's tall. So this is after some days. Of course, we're in the rainy season, so it's after some days. The hair is already dry. It's already dry, and this is the finished look. This is the finished look of the Pixie coil. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what kind of video you would want to see next. You can ask your question in the comment section. And I also left out that after I used the brush to define the coils, then right before I put on the invisible net, I had to put on a little amount of styling mousse on the hair to make the coils hold properly, not the one after some days it will just scatter and all. So I actually used a styling mousse on it to hold the coils together. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you like it, and see you in my next video. Bye, Plums.